Light. You can see it. Counting boomer. What's up, peoples? This is Groggy D's, and I've got light speed. I'm breaking the rules tonight with a cake at the speed of light. 40 shots by Fire Factory, Great Grizzly. Warning, flammable, shoots flaming balls. It's a zipper cake, but not that kind of zipper cake. It's a cake with zippers. Jump into hyperspace with brilliant color comets and strobing minds that lead the way for humming zippers as they reach light speed. Zip across the galaxy. It's a 17-second quick 200-gram cake. It's got a 5 out of 10 noise level. You can almost call it low noise here, folks. You light it under here. And there's the fuse somewhere down there. It's way down there. You got to pull out that fuse. Get your buddy over here to help you out. Maybe Big E will show up. Help me light this cake. Okay, we're going to go light this cake now. Breaking the rules tonight. If you'd like to see more content like this, please like and subscribe to Groggy D. I'll have cakes like this that I did not pay $25 for. I got it for free at American Discount Fireworks at 11,000 South Cleveland Avenue, Fort Myers, Florida. They're open mid-June to July 4th, and they're open just after the Christmas trees are gone, December 26th through the new year. Let's fire it up. Fire Factory, Great Grizzly. All right, I got Big E on the torch tonight. It's time for a 200-gram banger. Okay, it worked.